On a normal level, if we do things to other sentient beings, animals, spirits, humans, do we collect karma? Good, bad, and neutral karma. Correct.
Yes.
So, is it logical to think if we do something with the Buddha, we also collect karma? Of course. Of course. You see, whether that person feels the result of your intention or not is not the point. It's your intention that creates the karma. So if I slap Cindy, right? If I slap Cindy because she fainted to wake her up, that's beneficial. If I slap her because I'm unhappy with her, that doesn't benefit her. But a slap is a slap, but it's my intention. So let's say she fainted, I said, oh, yo, I gotta wake her up. Wake up, we gotta go, come on. There's some animals coming, we're in the forest, right? I slap her and wake up. I slap her to help her, to wake her up. Say, wake up, come on, let's go. I want to save her life. And it saves her life. Is that good or bad? Good. Very good. Let's say she's my roommate. And there's a cake she ate. I slap her while you eat the cake. It's mine. Slap her again because she answered back to me. Is that good or bad? Bad. But it's a slap. So the intention is important. Kulum. So similarly, if we offer water to the Buddha, may Cindy drop dead. I really hate her, she stole my blue glasses. May she drop dead. And I offer Buddha water every day. Is that good or bad karma? Bad. Pervasively bad, a little bit of good, because the Buddha cannot generate negative results. Anything with the Buddha will bring good results. Anything. Hold on to that thought, I'll explain more later about that. Even if you do something bad to the Buddha, something good will come later. I'll explain why later. Remind me, huh? So, my intention to offer the glass of water to Buddha every day is to generate the energy and karma for what? For her. Negative karma. And the karma is even more stronger because you're generating it to a being who is very attained. Karma is dependent on, listen carefully, karma is dependent on action, motivation, and object.